Hello, everyone. Welcome to Hikvision MEA open course. Okay, today we will bring the new topic about urban traffic mastery with AI-enhanced ANPR monitoring cameras. Okay, Hikvision TCM series cameras. Okay, we will start in 8 minutes. Everyone. Welcome. Okay, please feel free to join and scan the QR code to check in. Also, we will provide 2,000 HPV credits for you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to MEA open course. Kindly join and scan the QR code to check in, please. Anything issues, you can feel free to type in the chat box and we will answer and interact with you accordingly. So we will wait for another 5 minutes to start the session. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Hikvision MEA open course. Okay, today we are talking about sessions about the urban traffic mastery with AI-enhanced ANPR camera. Okay, for the new models for the TCM series. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Hello, Engineer Muhammad. Welcome. Okay, for the session today, we still talk about the traffic cameras, okay, traffic cameras. So it's a kind of series topics. And last time we discussed about the TCV series, right? For the checkpoint cameras with radar. And now today we will introduce about the new series, about the TCM series, specific designed for the urban traffic road, country road, city road, and so on. So it's quite different with models that applied in the enterprise or building securities. So we will wait for another 3 minutes. Okay. Feel free to scan the QR code above on the slide or just click the link there in the chat box to register. And anything, questions or issues, you can just feel free to type in the chat box and our engineers, they will answer it accordingly. And after the session, we provide a small quiz, same like yesterday, okay? It will be total 10 quiz questions. Just will be yes or no. Okay, very quick questions. And the top six, we will provide a certain amount of HPP credits for you. So top one will provide 12,000 HPP credits. Okay, countdown for 1 minute. We will start sessions. Hello, Engineer Hardy Muhammad. Welcome. Okay. Okay, we are going to start. Hello, everyone. This is Naeem from Hikvision R&D department. Welcome today to Hikvision MEA open course EP41. Okay, today we will continue about the topic about Hikvision's professional traffic cameras. So the topic of today that we are going to introduce is about the latest TCM series camera, the urban traffic mastery with AI-enhanced ANPR monitoring cameras. And same as before, okay, we prepared the tracking gift with 2,000 HPP credits for you. Also, at the end of the sessions, there will be a little quiz game, okay, with first rank for 12,000 HPP credits. So good luck later, okay? And also, after the PPT slides introduction, we will show you the live demo that installed the cameras on site to see the performance exactly. Any questions? Feel free to ask, okay? Oh, yes. Thank you, Engineer Ayman. Marhaban. Okay, let's start. Today we are going to introduce the new TCM series cameras. Some friends may feel just wonder, when we talk about TCM, TCV, TCE, right? Actually, this is a new naming rule, different from the traditional security CCTV cameras. Okay, TCM, T means traffic, C means camera or captured unit, N means monitoring. So according to the naming rule, we can see it is more recommended to apply in the scenarios of open road for the vehicle capture and road and city monitoring. Okay, so we can see the appearance is quite different, right? So it's powerful, advanced. The course of today, including the overview introduction of the camera series itself, and also the product highlights, key features of the cameras, the recommended application scenarios, how to put it and where to put it for the successful case, along with the values that it brings due to the actual deployment. So we will see it one by one. So in the future, any business chance that you get, you can feel free to put into use. Okay. Hello, Engineer Hassan. Shnolak. Okay, first, the overview of the camera. Actually, as we know, as a part of the city monitoring system, city monitoring, like safe cities, right? Safe BDA, CBD, and so on. We usually face the pain points as we listed here. What about no accurate ANPR recognition and no clear captured image when looking for like criminal vehicles? We lost the information of vehicles, like what color is it, what brand, what make, right? Or even face issues of fake license plate number about the ANPR function itself, lack of vehicle features recognition, such as MMC, which means make, manufacturers, color, and so on. That will directly result in waste of effort in searching for the suspicious vehicles, right? So what's more, the normal ANPR functions, that it may not support long-range performance, maybe just like 5 or 6 meters maximum, right? Say that even that they cannot cover like more lanes and longer distance with just for one cameras. If you want larger coverage, that means you need to deploy more cameras, right? So in some specific situation, of course, there are even also no network due to the city development, right? Cause cameras data transmission issues when you deploy the cameras, how to transfer the signals and the recordings back to the center. So that we asked for the 4G camera, 5G camera, right? And in urban road or the similar environment, we still face the challenges of traffic accidents that caused by like overspeed, measurement of the vehicles. So we need speed management functions as well. And at last, headache about the traffic jam, right? As a part of the city management, road management, we every day we face traffic jam, right? Waiting in a line for a long time, affecting the road safety and efficiency. So it requires for the traffic flow detection, traffic incident detection, and so on. So usually in a very complex environment with various of functions, we want this, we want that, we want everything based on the ANPR functions. So any solutions we can find? Yes. So that's why we introduced about cameras in the session today. Comes with the Hikvision TCM series cameras. So we will introduce the details. First, the new TCM series, IDS, TCM series cameras, it including the models of family that includes, as we listed here, of radar-assisted cameras, which means camera equipped with radar, built-in with radar, and also without radar for the basic models. And in the radar-assisted models, It includes the models that featured with dual lens, and radar, or the models of pure radar with single lens. And based on the radar, of course, the camera will be able to realize a speed measurement function that up to 120 kilometers per hour, along with road monitoring function, right? And we can find it that the models with TCM441 with -R means radar. So the radar frequency is 80 gigahertz. And while the model of TCM403 with radar is 77 gigahertz. So this is the product families. So let's check for the details. For the 4G models, especially for the 4G models, positioning as a professional traffic camera in the environment that lack of network conditions. So it featured with the outstanding 4 megapixel, total 4 megapixel, so it can cover with maximum 3 lenses to perform the NPR. So one camera, 3 lenses, or each of the lenses, they can perform the NPR camera as well. And also equipped and featured with GPS module as well, which can use GPS timing and positioning for the central management. And what's more, we provide the choice of supplement light. We can choose for IR light or white light based on your own requirement. The light supplement light maximum range can reach to 50 meters. Also, one light can cover the 3 lenses maximum. Apart from the basic ANPR functions, it can also support switch for multiple intelligent functions with smart mode, event detection mode, and entrance and exit mode, 3 modes in different situations and scenarios. The camera itself is also refeatured with a high protection level because it's deployed in outside environments, right? So can achieve up to IP67 water and dust proof, IK10 weatherproof, MEA4X anti-corrosions. So it can be used close to the sea and bay. A very good performance for the anti-corrosions to adapt to that all weather working environments. So very powerful, very powerful. And for the models with radar, same as 3 lens coverage with ANPR functions. So this is a basic function. 1 camera for 3 lenses maximum. 4 megapixels cameras with lens choices of 2.8 to 12 millimeters, or even you can choose 8 to 32 millimeters. Maximum 140 dB ultra WDR functions with a better light environment adaptabilities, since of the strong light towards a strong light, right? So it has ultra WDR functions, can reach to 140 dB. So radar with 77 gigahertz can detect up to 100 meters range distance towards, and with the speed limit up to 120 kilometers per hour. Because it's not used for highway, it's used for urban road. So 120 kilometers per hour is extremely high. Normally it's enough. While for the dual sensors TCM cameras with radar, it features with a unique design with dual lens design. Dual lens, so 1 camera with 2 lenses, which including a fixed lens for big panoramic view, general view of the site, and also very focal lens for the details. Okay, both of the 2 lenses, they are PT architecture that can have a pan and tilt adjustment. It can pan and tilt adjustment, PT design, to fit the actual application scenarios. So you can adjust the angles accordingly, okay, based on the deployment and installation. And the high frequency radar working in 80 gigahertz, it can achieve to maximum 15 meters detection range, and also up to 120 kilometers per hour speed measurement. So you will find that the radar for the basic model and advanced models, it's a little bit different, right? Because of the size of the radar itself is a little bit different. And the higher of the frequency, the detection accuracy will be higher higher accuracy, a little bit difference. Okay, next is about the product highlight for our new TCM series cameras. So the highlight of the cameras. First is about the powerful AI vehicle intelligence. As we mentioned, when it's deployed on the road, we request for a lot of monitoring functions, right? We need to monitoring for the human, we need to monitoring for the vehicles, and also we need to identify the features of the vehicles and site situations a lot, right? So it has featured with switchable AI functions due to different application requirements, right? So it's supported with functions models of, as we mentioned, event detection for traffic incidents. Traffic incidents, which means like congestions, stopped vehicle detections, lane change, wrong way driving, not that good driving behavior, right? Speeding, overspeed, low speed driving, and so on. And also like the traffic flow detection as a part of the daily city traffic management. And also in entrance and exit mode, E mode, for ANPR functions with barrier gate, it can linkage with the barriers, along with vehicle features detections. That's the latest, the last is about the smart mode. Apart from the E mode, the last mode is about a smart mode, smart security mode for ANPR and vehicle features detection, like for motor target, motor vehicles, and also for non-motor vehicle targets, like the bicycles, motor cars, and so on. So just one camera, but it can play in different roles due to the different requirements. Very powerful algorithms and features. So let's see. As we can see here, for the ANPR and vehicle features analysis in fully structured mixed target mode, for both of the motor and non-motor structured data. Which kind of data, structured data, such as vehicle plate, right? Plate recognition, vehicle type, small vehicles, large model, and vehicle brand, BMW, Toyota, right? That's auto and so on. Vehicle color, red, gray, white, direction detections, reverse directions or normal directions, and also for the non-motor target, except for the vehicle, like plate, for the non-motor targets, also including the features detections, like the numbers of the passengers, maybe the overloaded one motorcycle, it takes like 4 or 5 passengers, right? Helmet detections, and so on. So very powerful for the motor and the non-motor targets data structured. What's more, in the traffic flow detections mode, it will help us to make and optimize road measurement. So one camera, it can cover maximum 3 lanes, and except for the flow information, it will also include about information as like just like as it's showing here, right? When it's detected, it was showing about information about what? The information as average passing speed, traffic schedules based on the current traffic flow analysis, vehicle queuing lanes, and so on, right? So it will display the information here. So that's to provide a very powerful and detailed traffic flow management experience for city management. What's more? Well, for the traffic incident detections, as we can see here, it included detections and incident events of congestions, speed, right? As we mentioned, traffic incident event like congestions, stopped vehicles, lane change, wrong way driving, speed up, overspeed, low speed driving. It helps the cities and the users to optimize the traffic order and the road safety. So again, okay, one piece of the new TCM series cameras, it will help to cover how many, maximum 3 lanes, okay, 3 lanes at the same time. So if it is a kind of 6 lanes, you just deploy two cameras, that will be enough. What's more, the function of ANPR and vehicle list empowers touch-free, digitalized vehicle management with rich application potentials, featuring high efficiency, security, and ease of use, right? Second, we mentioned, the platform itself, the ANPR camera itself just comes with how many? Total 10K, 10,000 records capacity with flexible event alarm schedule rules that already makes a good start to meet the basic needs for quite a few basic SMB applications, small and middle business applications, such as auto access for whitelist vehicles, auto refusal, or maybe like blacklist vehicles with push alarm to a remote operator to monitoring, VIP list, whitelist, blacklist, and so on. And for users looking for complex vehicle management rules or larger library capacity, we can achieve that via the camera connecting to the access control systems for parking lot, via cameras working with Hikvision professional. Some colleagues asked the questions last time. What is management systems? We can perform with HCP as well, of course, or maybe integrated with the city management, other brand, third-party systems. And also with the city, with the system application, that we may have rich extended features, such as like complex parking policy for access control and fee rules, multi-tenant buildings with different parking space, budget, and parking time, right? Allowance for each group of occupiers, interoperability with access road, video intercom, screen guidance, IP speakers, and so on for EE, entrance and consistent solutions. And next is about list configuration, like per vehicle by batch. Also, it is supported via the camera web client, just configure, easy configuration for the web client, or maybe on the Hikvision professional. Hello, Engineer Hassan. Assalamu alaikum. Good, welcome. So for the Hikvision professional, it also allows the local occupant self-registration for access permissions via the mobile app. Hikvision has its mobile app, or over local network environment as Hikvision server via the company VPN. For example, like self-registration for employee newly on board, or employee apply for visitors permission, door access, vehicle parking, and so on. And the details also is included in the Hikvision parking mode. Okay, Hikvision parking mode. You can integrate it together. And about the outstanding image technologies, special for the application of road and traffic scenarios for targets of vehicle during the night, the camera features with technologies of detailing and denoising to remove the ineffective interfering signals and boost effective detail signals, color processing to make sense color more compatible with the human eyes sense. So the better image, right? Low illumination for the clear image performance in the dim light environment. Dark fighter, right? Dark fighter, low light information. And also very important function of high light compensation, HLC configuration, because especially during the night when you want to capture the license plate number of the vehicle, because of the white light is very strong. So normally it's very difficult to identify and capture the vehicle's license plate. So we need to apply the high light compensation functions to reduce effect of the vehicle's light. Good, and so regardless of the strong vehicle highlight, so that we can provide a very good capture performance for the vehicle ANPR. And especially for the vehicle capture in the darkness, like the darkness. So we can apply the IR mode, as we can see here in the pictures, compared to the other general NPR cameras, Hikvision new TCM series cameras, it will offer a superior supplement lighting for the license plate and vehicle bodies itself. Clear images can be captured thanks to the built-in supplement lights. Hello, Engineer Sabi. Assalamu alaikum. What's more important? And when the camera work with the supplement light, then we can see the view angle. The view angle is very important. The view angle is extremely large. So it can work for both NPR, about the vehicle captures, license plate recognition, but also with the regular site monitoring as a conventional security cameras. So this is a very important value of the camera itself. We can see the view angle is huge, right? So not just only for the target capturing, but also the whole site monitoring we can record. So it can work as a traditional security camera as well. This is a very important value for the new TCM series cameras. Okay, and especially when we deploy it on the road. For example, we have two road go and back, two. Okay, so just one direction we can cover for 3 lanes for the vehicle target captures, but rest of the view it can cover, for example, even on the other side, and also an auctions road, it can all cover and monitoring, provide the security monitoring functions. So one camera capturing and city road management. So it's very important device for the city monitoring solutions. Okay, after talking about the application scenarios, let's see about the details. Mainly about recommendation of application scenarios for the new TCM series. So where we can put into use, as we mentioned, for the urban road, country road, traffic incident, ANPR captured, traffic flow management, or even the enclosed area, in some enclosed area like factories and so on for the speed management, and entrance exit management for the daily enterprise application as well. It can also work. So ANPR, vehicle and target capturing, traffic flow management, enclosed area speed management, and EE management. So at the last of the session today, we'd also like to share some of the successful case about deployment of the new TCM series. Let's see how it works and what's the benefit. Here is about a project demo. The background of the project is about the end user as a city management. He just want to make one of the city as a part of the most safe place in the world by including the number plate recognition, face recognition, violation detections, especially for the traffic incident detection, right? Road traffic flow monitoring, management. So that as a part of the system. So project we already deployed around like 2,000 pieces of TCM for 3 cameras all around the city to cover the whole urban road. And the models are all about the 4G models so that it can transmit the data from site to the center directly through the 4G signal instead of deploy the network systems to save the cost. And after the system deployed, the system has greatly improved the work efficiency of the end user. It's a kind of placement systems, reduce the criminal rate and traffic incident rate efficiently, maintain the city traffic order due to the flow management, minimize the traffic accident rate as well. So bring the value for the real daily city management. This is very important. This is the successful case as mentioned. Okay, so this is all about the sessions today. So any questions regarding for the content as we introduced? Thanks, everybody. So any questions, you can type there in the chat box. It is a good camera or not? It's very powerful, right? One camera can cover maximum how many? 3 lanes. And also not just for the lane monitoring and vehicle target capturing, but also the whole street, very large angle view for city daily security monitoring. So any questions? Yes, Suad? Okay, if no more questions, we can just show you about a live demo that we prepared on the site. Let's see what is exactly about the performance. So you'll find that login interface is quite different from the normal cameras, right? So this is a camera we deployed. Later, if in the future, if you visit our Hikvision HQ, you will find that this is a road in front of our company. Okay, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, it has 4 lanes, right? So we just deployed one camera to cover 3 lanes maximum. So we can see what's the configuration. Let's see. Okay, for the capturing location road, this is a capturing mode, motor vehicle, non-motor vehicle, pedestrian for different captured type. So we can leave a number of captures, 1 or 2 different. Capture interval, how many microseconds, right? And also if the mode is with speeding or not, with radar or not. When this model, it was with radar, with radar. And also we can configure the length, total length, how many lanes, directions. We can define front or rear directions and so on. So for different application modes, okay, captured parameters, ANPR functions, supplement light, and so on. So you can configure it, durations. Okay, target picture mappings, recognition sectors. So which kind of features? Helmet, non-motor or vehicles, colors, anything. And also overlay, you can configure self-configuration as a checkpoint system element. Lastly, about capture the image. Window enhancement or nothing like this. So we configure it. So we go back to the live view. We can check. Okay, we can check. Okay, this is the mainstream. Okay, we just arming. They are just waiting for the red line. So we arm. So rules. So coming here comes vehicles. Okay, see. So we get the results because it is with radar. So we can measurement the speed. For example, we can extend what is capturing, right? Time, vehicle type, same pictures. Okay, so we can enlarge to see the performance. Oh, sorry, this is a test. Second, picture license plate. Sorry. Speeding. Speeding, that means it is overspeed. So we can see the captured, the target. Okay. Sorry, the performance is not that good. Let's try again. It's 2 lanes captured. during the night. Okay. Okay, this is good. A, we can see the license plate number and so on. And also we can see the key features of it. Type of the vehicles, right? And the highlight of the vehicles, plate numbers, and so on. Okay. Okay, so this is about demos about the new TCM series cameras. Okay. So any questions? All right. If no more questions, okay, then we come to the part of the quick quiz game. Okay, thanks, Vera. Okay. Oh, Engineer Amen, you are always the first. Okay, the rule is quite easy. Okay, this time because due to the topic is a little bit difficult, so we just prepare the questions in just true or false. Okay, yes or no. Okay, so it's quick questions just for the traffic systems. Great, great. Hope you good luck. Thanks, Angel Hassan. Oh, we already get 7. Can we have more? We can just wait for another 2 minutes. Oh, great. Excellent. So good luck, because we will pick total 6 winners, okay, for the prize. Top will be 12,000 HPB credit. Second, we will have 2 with 8,000 HPB credit. And third will be 6,000, 6,000 HPB credit. Okay, 1 more minute. All registered engineers are checking in now. Great. Good luck. So we just wait for 1 minute, okay? Let's see. Anybody, you can just scan the QR code here, or just click the link there in the chat box. To join for the quiz game. Okay, count down for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, كويس 3 2 1. Okay, we start. Are you ready? Everybody's get ready. So we can start. Okay. Good luck. Good luck. Let's start. Good luck. And the same, okay? Please just provide your name, email address, and working ID. Oh. Good luck. Alhamdulillah. Oh, engineer Kashif. Engineer Muhammad Hadi. Great. Engineer Ahmad. Great. Congrats. Ranking first, ranking top. Very good. Very good. It's a little bit difficult, right? Because not like just our traditional security systems. Wow. Engineer Hussein, very good, very good. Oh, congrats. Ranking currently the 21st. Okay. Very nice, very nice. Any chance? Any chance? Who's ranking first? Top is Muhammad Hadi. Second is Engineer Muhammad Sakat and Engineer Ayman. Very good, very good. And the third prize is Engineer Ahmad and Hassan Ninja Baris. So any others? Oh, okay. Very good, very good, very good. All right. Oh, nice. Okay, so any more friends want to finalize your quiz game? Okay, let's just count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's it. Thanks for your participants. All right, all right. Congrats for the top, but actually we will pick for top 6, okay? Top 6. Okay, thanks for Engineer Ahmad, Muhammad, and Engineer Osman and Engineer Muhammad. Okay, so those are the top 6. All right, all right, all right. Very good, very good. Thanks everybody, thanks everybody. So this is all about the sessions that we are going to have it today. All right. So do you have any more questions regarding for the content of the new TCM series cameras? Great, great job, great job. Thanks for Engineer Muhammad Khalil, right? Okay, great. Okay, great. Okay, so this is all about sessions today. So anyone, if you want more checking, you can click the link there on the chat box. Okay, and look forward for your next participate and take part in our MEA open course next week. All right. Thanks, everybody. Okay, this is all about the sessions today. Thanks for participate. See you next week.